Alright folks, Jeff from RV Diagnostics, the most unprofessional video recorder out there. But I'm an RV professional. What's RV mean? Volumes and repair vehicle. We have a simple repair today, and it happens to a lot of us. Some of you use some ungodly things to do out there. Some of you lose the door. Well, this is what I'm talking about. So this is called a cam latch right here, okay? And this one broke because it was plastic. So a lot of you, I even put in this hole like another clip. All right, but this is steel. You can get the stainless steel, like a pack of 2 for $9 or something. So we're going to talk about how it actually comes on and off. And I'm going to do it in my fingers because it's that tight. Because it has to go not there, but watch, into this and behind here. Alright, so put you on pause. Alright, so what we got right here is the spring came off. I got another one. And if you see the difference in the thickness of the shaft right there. So I'll put you on pause again. Well, hold on. I can do this. Hold on. There you go. Alright, so we take the little piece here that's notched out, T-notch, find the narrow shaft part, and you go like that and bring it up. Now that's real easy to do when this spring ain't on. And it goes behind here. Alright, so you take this part with the spring, push it through. See what I mean? Alright, so it's coming. Hold on, folks. Okay. You gotta hold it. I'm gonna try to do it right here, right now. Right here, right now. Da, 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 da. Put you on pause. Okay. So I got this free. I'll put it back behind here. I'm gonna push it. Remember the little offset. There's the camera. I'm getting pretty good at this, holding the camera by myself. And then I put it up in that little latch, bring it out. There you go. Now I would get stainless steel ones because the rust, for those that really like their coaches nice, it rusts up. So there you go. So you can bounce down the road, bounce. Somehow, them little knobs, little things right there, they're only on top, supposed to stop this from flipping, but I've seen them flip, and you're like, boom, and it comes off, and the door pops off, and oh, and it goes down the road, boom, with a bang, da boom. So if that's ever happened to you, let me know. This is a real quick video on an RV hot water tank, propane / maybe electric. It doesn't matter if it's a 6 gallon, 10 gallon, 12 gallon. It's the securing latch. Keeps the door on when you're driving down the road. Alright, thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Remember, test not guess. Also remember that you get these in stainless steel. The plastic ones break all the time. Don't buy the cheap plastic ones.